Hi viewers. So I decided not to get the war. I'm gonna decide today get maybe the Mazda or just maybe Golf. Yeah, this Golf. Yeah, the Volkswagen. It's also buying for Audi. It's just 9,000 coins. Yes. It's too loud. Let me set up. That's perfect one. I will upload more video in Latvian. Yeah. Also gonna have tomorrow in Latvian how a Latvian railway triggers me. The whole Latvian railway. Yeah. Yeah, we're gonna also take that video tomorrow to just some 8 minutes. And how Latvia's railway triggers me. How are yours in Latvian? Yeah. My languages are Latvian and English, but I'm gonna make some Latvian videos this year. Yeah, we're also gonna have trigger. We're also gonna upload triggered videos and just stop the horn. Oh, now I need to buy Audi. Whoa, so good. Yeah, good. Audi is just the is the popular car, and it's just popular in the world. Just it's a German brand and so popular. Also, we need just unlock now the Fiat. I'm gonna decide to get that Golf, or you can call Golf or Volkswagen. Yeah. Let's keep hormone until we get the 10,000 coins. Yeah. Also, if you wanna play this game, search Cornhole Simulator to play it. If you're a YouTuber, you can make content, and I will see it soon. You can also soon do the same like me. Yeah, I'll just, this is just part 2. Yeah, I will have part 2. Wait a minute. I need to pee. I'm gonna pause the video now. We're just back. Let's keep horning. What ads? Why? Okay, then I'm gonna block the ad. Bro. We don't need ads. Thank you, Google, for closing this ad. Yeah. Somebody just sponsors me with music. And I just sat and just played Jumpy Jacks and saw random music. And so let's just use Toad 2 or Dairy Parenting 2. Boom. A Fiat. That's how Fiat. The Fiat is just from Italy. It also created some cars in the past of Fiat's history. Fiat also has off-road cars like Campanola. I just Campanola. I just know Campanola. Yes, just don't spell it incorrectly. Campanola. Yes. I'm now with you speaking Italy's. I'm just gonna cut some also. Let me just cut some videos. Yeah, I also have all of these parts together. Yeah. And just endorsed book guns. And I just saw Booga Booga, that player. And I just searched his account and reported him. Yes. And he has one game. One down. Just 90 views, then I will play it. 9 views on his channel. Then I'm gonna play it. Yes. My hair just got so tired. Ferrari. The hypercar. Ferraris are just a good car. Ferraris are just a good car. Good car. Yeah, I could also make a Roblox game called World Expo Racing. Yeah. World Expo Racing, it's gonna be released. I'll add World Expo cars to race. Racing sales also start in 5 minutes. Every 5 minutes they start. My ear just wants to get tired. But we just need that Toyota, dude. We need that. We could just watch ads. Yes, I think this will be a longer. Part 2 can be more longer. Then part 3, part 4. Yeah. Part 3 will come in Friday. When I'm gonna just fart. Yes. I'm just back. Yeah. My voice just simply sounds weird when videos are just released. My voice just feels so weird. Okay, now we can Toyota. Oh, Toyota is just the best car in Ukraine, and I support Ukraine. I also got to explain my top 5 supported countries. My top 1 is Ukraine that I support. Yeah. Just and also I know so the Syria earthquake in Turkey and Syria just happened. Someday we just watch the Latvian television channel with Panorama. Yes, Panorama. Yes, and we saw the news of the earthquake that happened in Turkey and Syria. Yeah. I supporting for earthquakes, but Latvia also doesn't just get aid to Turkey and Syria. Latvia, our country, also doesn't give aid to Turkey and Syria, and I'm supporting them for the earthquake. Syria is just a bit like, it's just both like and hate at the same time. And we're gonna also soon have a video which game. We also gonna have a video which game and transport games and Roblox that I can find to play. I haven't played yet. Okay. Oh, go, yes! Well, you can just call it Volkswagen if you want. Yes, just hold a bit. Okay, like that. This is just a long video. Yeah. Part 2 releasing in Friday. No. I mean, part 3 is releasing in Friday. So, we could just go for next time to the Jaguar. Yeah, to that steering wheel. And so that's it. Yeah. When I'm gonna be 7 years old, I can also start Discord server, and also just I also want you guys to subscribe and give me support to reaching 20 subscribers. I also really want that. 100 subscribers is my dream. And I'll do a celebration. 20 subscribers, then 50, then 100. Yeah, and I need to gain more subscribers. I didn't have gained any subscribers since. Yeah. So, party coming in Friday, and bye.